learn about workload suitability. Imagine a fleet of vehicles where each type is chosen based on the journey. A delivery van for packages, a bus for passengers, and a sports car for speed. Just like this, the sports car for speed, there's a bus here, right? Workload suitability in Databricks works the same way by matching the right cluster type to the right task. Job clusters handle scheduled pipelines efficiently. All purpose clusters support exploration and collaboration, while high concurrency clusters serve business intelligence dashboards with many simultaneous queries. This alignment ensures performance, cost efficiency, and reliability across diverse workloads. I'll see you in our next lecture.